Good day everyone, I'm Adrian D. Sabanal, first year of BSc East Section M15. So before I start talking about the life of this man, what drives a person to become who they are? Is it their past, their desires, or perhaps something more? Welcome to today's presentation where we dive into the life and work of a pioneering figure in psychology, Alfred Adler. Best known for developing the theory of individual psychology, Adler revolutionized how we understand human behavior and motivation. So, who is Alfred Adler? Alfred Adler was born on February 7, 1870 in Vienna, Austria. Adler faced numerous challenges from an early age. He suffered from rickets, which delayed his ability to walk until the age of 4, and later he almost died from a pneumonia. These early struggles instilled in him a deep interest in overcoming adversity, which will shape his future work. Despite these challenges, Adler excelled in his education and eventually pursued a medical degree at the University of Vienna, where his interest in psychiatry and psychology blossomed. Alfred Adler is best known for developing the theory of individual psychology, unlike Freud, who focused on the influence of the unconscious mind. Adler believed that humans are primarily driven by a sense of inferiority and the desire to achieve superiority. He introduced concepts such as inferiority complex, the importance of social connections, and the idea that our behavior is goal-oriented. His work emphasized that the importance of nurturing social interest and community feeling as crucial elements of mental health. This theory has had a profound impact on the psychology, leading to more holistic approaches in the therapy and counseling. So, the impact on society of Adler's work has left a lasting legacy in psychology and education. His idea about the importance of social connections have influenced therapeutic practices, educational methods, and even leadership training. Adlerian psychology is still widely taught and practiced today, and his contribution has been recognized globally. Although he never received a Nobel Prize, Adler's impact on society is undeniable, influencing fields far beyond psychology. Alfred Adler's groundbreaking work continues to influence psychology and society today. His theories on human behavior have shaped modern psychotherapy and educational practices. Let's appreciate Adler's contributions, which have helped us better understand ourselves and the world around us. Adler once said that it is easier to fight for one's principles than to live up to them. This quote reflects his belief in the importance of not just understanding human behavior, but actively working to improve it. His life story is a testament to overcoming personal struggles and contributing meaningfully to our society. So that's the end of my presentation. I hope you understand the life of Alfred Adler's. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.